Okay, what am I looking at today? Well, everything's gapping up, which means I'm just going to have to be managing my swings in the morning and then seeing what things give me for entries, right? Um, Yesterday's video, I said I would swing tomorrow's SPY. I swung the 600s, so I'll be well in the money. I'm going to take profit on that at open. Um, this whole screen will change to a 3-minute chart, so then I can see when's the best and most opportune time to take profit. And what else did I swing? I swung Microsoft's runners. I did an ad on Nvidia, which I mentioned in my video. I'm probably going to hold Nvidia unless it gives me a reason to get out, because we're looking for 146.02 on Nvidia. And then I swung a bit of Tesla. So that is that. What am I looking at apart from those swings? Look at AMD. I keep saying AMD is telling me that it's not weak. This is one way to show it. So, yeah. If this can come back inside and we can trigger the 3-2, I'll trade AMD. Let's see, Apple just not interested, although that's going. Adobe capped, still inside weak. I'm already in Nvidia. Tesla. Carvana. I definitely wanted to trade this. Once it re-triggered the week, it's obviously gapping that. It's going to flip the month back green. Let's see if there's an entry in Carvana. So yeah, that'll be on my maybe list today. Would love to enter into that somehow. This is my target on Carvana. Okay. Weekly target here. All right. Amazon. Potential outside week. Just not interested. Palantir. Yes. I definitely want to be getting back into Palantir. I want Palantir to go back to the highs, right? So outside week. It's giving me a 3-2 on the day. This is something I'm watching. Right. Looks great. Hood. I'm checking the 4-hour, which gapped. It's still an inside week. Less interested. Microsoft swung already. Costco. I don't know how I missed that yesterday. Okay. Crowd we spoke about. Oh, I swung Crowd. But I chased the hell out of Crowd. I mentioned it in my video yesterday. I also swung that. I'm probably getting the heck out of that at open. It doesn't have a ton of magnitude back to where, like, the top of my broadening formation here. Yeah, it's at the highs. Yeah. I'm getting the hell out of Crowd. Let's actually go back to that. Because it's set up on the hour, didn't it? Like a 3? Yeah. So this was, I guess it's not technically a chase. Like, obviously, this is the ideal entry if you're trading on the hour. So yeah, entered here, which I mentioned on my video. Okay. Well, that's not what I wanted. I wanted this to be 12-hour. Okay. Snow. God, we talked about Snow yesterday after hours. Should have wish it didn't gap like that. Okay. Not interested on the gap. Gold. Also not interested. Qs have already gapped up. AVGO also has gapped up. I definitely was interested in this gap. So that's a little annoying. Look at it go. Okay. Missed that. App is just app. I guess you could look for outside week. I'm not interested. Affirm. I told you I didn't want to short it. Everything's just gapping. So I'm actually likely going to, let's go MU. Yes. watch my swings and look for a pullback. I'm going to play gappers. Because everything that I wanted to trade is gapping significantly. I don't want to trade Google. Although, Google could actually be interesting. If we're bullish today, Google's going to flip everything back. Okay, not the year, but it's going to flip the month back green. So everything but the year will be flipped back green on Google, which is just more interesting than anything. It's not at the bottom of a bonding formation. So I guess, yeah. No, I'm just not interested in Google. I don't need the risk. QCOM, damn, I wanted to get into that. Okay. That's it. So I'm going to be trading gappers. Looking for gap and go or gap and crap. We'll likely be trading them off the 15-minute chart. Looking for long hammers, long shooters, or like decent inside bars on the 15er. Oh, man, I'm just still not bearish, but since we're gapping up, we may see just like some sort of TTO. So yeah, managing swings and then waiting on that, and we shall see.